positive vibration, no shaking, we move. Hello, guys, welcome once more to the Business in Africa YouTube channel. And as you know, I always come here to give you valuable information that's going to help you. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the new Cameroon online tax system. A lot of you have probably been going to the old Harmony system, but things have changed a little. So let's look at the things that have changed on the online system. And I will say that if you have any questions related to this kind of topics, drop it in the comment section below. Ask your questions in the comment section below, and I am going to pick that and do a video just for you. Okay. Now, the first thing we need to know is that the system has now changed to what we call the Atom system. The last time we had the Harmony system, and a lot of things have been moved to another platform called the Atom system. In French, it's called Application de téléopération de la maîtrise, or sometimes it's called Application de téléopération pour la maîtrise des impôts. Okay, it's kind of like a French acronym, but that's what you're going to be seeing now. Now, let me just show you guys how the Atom system look like, just the interface. Okay. All right, this is what you're going to see when you log on to to either do your tele declaration or to register your NIU. You are going to now see this interface, okay? And if you see this, don't you panic. We are going to dissect that in this video or in subsequent videos, okay? So what is that all supposed to mean? The function of that, they have moved the creation of NIU, your tax registration, I did a video on how to create your tax registration on the Harmony system. Now, this has been moved to the Atom system, right? And you can also do your filing, like tele-declaration. You're going to do it here. You can do your payments through mobile money, OTP, and banks. I am going to break that down all in this video, in subsequent videos, okay? And of course, this is where you can now access your attestation d'immatriculation, your quittance, your NIU. You can now access all the certificates on this new platform. So what I'm trying to say here is that the old Harmony platform is still there, but it has its own function. So these functions here, you're going to find them on the new Atom platform. Now let's look at some changes, quick what changed between 2004, 2024, and then 2025. Now, one of the things that changed is just the entry point. If you go to empo.cm, you're going to be able to do your e-registration, and it's going, as I said earlier, it's going to be the old Harmony platform interface. Okay. Now let me show you how that's going to look like. The old Harmony interface usually, it looks like this, where you have to sign in with your NIU and then a password. Remember this, right? I'm sure a lot of you have already done signing in here. And on this platform, you could, register your NIU, register your tax certificate, and then you could do a lot of things just entering here. But now with the new system, which is the Atom system, a couple of things have been moved to this system. Okay, and as I said already, if you now go to Empo, it will redirect you to the new system or to the new portal. Let me call it that way as well. And of course, I already said this. The old, Harmony system had what we call the NIU sign-in, like you use your taxpayer's number to sign in. But the Atom system, you now use your email. You create it using your email, and then of course you have to activate using your email, and then every other thing you log in with your email and the password. Okay. All right. So now this is what you're going to have, but for people who already had a username and a password, like if you already logged into the old system, there are some things that you need to do to be able to access the new system. You need to do what we call, you need to harmonize your taxpayers' details, in French, they call it the base de données or your database. So you need to harmonize that from the old system to the new system. And doing that, you just need to come to the browser, and then you type here sdc.harmony, okay, harmony2 Take note of this, sdc.harmony2.cm, and then you just click on enter. The internet is a little slow, but now this is what you're going to have, and then you can change it from English to French. Now I'll just take English always, so that all right. You see what it's called here, synchronisation de vos données Harmony. Like, it's through this page you'll be able to synchronize your data from the Harmony system to the Atom system. Okay, and all what you need to do here is put your INU number, like your NIU number, your NIU number, numéro identifiant unique. So this is just what you need to put here. That's mine. And then you take synchroniser le mot de passe. You can see here, vos informations Harmony ont été synchronisées avec succès. You understand? So you need to do this process first. You know, if you had the access to the old Harmony system, so that you are able to access the Atom system. Now you can see here, I've just clicked on confirmation. This system now can give me all my information. You know, you see my NIU number here, the name, where I'm registered, what I do, and then you see here my account is inactive anyways. Okay, but that's not an issue. This just gives you the state. It tells you that everything has been synchronized and verified. Okay, so that's the first that's the first etap. So remember this, sdc.harmony2.cm. Do that, and then you'll be able to log into this platform. Now I'm going to do another video showing you how you can you can log in and then start doing things like creating your NIU, doing your utility declaration, and so on and so forth. Okay, I'm going to be doing that in a subsequent video, but before I do that, guys, drop me your comments, ask me your questions. I want to know if you're actually watching and this video was resourceful. Okay, but before I go, guys, remember that if you want to come to Cameroon, there is most travels and tours that they are going to help you, right? If you need visa support, like processing your visa to Cameroon, if you need hotel accommodation, airport meet and greet, and all of those kind of services, ticketing services, etc., contact Most Travels and Tours. They are going to help you out. The numbers are on the screen, and they will be waiting to hear from you if you want to come to Cameroon. Okay, so guys, I'm going to leave it here, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't go away without clicking on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so that each time I upload a new video, you will be the first to know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.